Let a few people get in here first. What's going on, guys? Big W. What's going on? This is Dennis. Dennis, I'm about to show you how the best model is higher time frame liquidity pools and fair value gaps. What's up, Luke? Ambrovic Motors. Let a few more get in here, and then I'll get the back testing going. I honestly have not really I didn't look at the charts or anything before this, so we're just going in raw. Show us. All right, give it 2 seconds. From Alaska, bro. You're probably out there grabbing those salmons out of the water. You just stick them, huh? All right, let's get into it, guys. I wanted to do gold first, even though that's not what I typically trade, but we'll do the XAU versions actually. Let me see. I have forex.com right here. Here we go. What's up, Vadim? That's a cool name, bro. You guys got some sick names. All right, let's get into it. We'll just go back here, I guess. Start from Asia, and we'll kind of work our way. So right here, we obviously want to kind of trade into a discount, which we already are. Based on this fib, have a 30-minute fair value gap, taking out both of these pools of liquidity. I like to use session liquidity, so I'm always looking at the time-based liquidity pools. Let's let Asia kind of start right here. Okay. Okay, that's cool. Took out so we'll look at this overall range then. We'll kind of go based off that. Oh, and the chart is better for gold. That is it's debatable. I don't think it's that deep though. Okay, I kind of like this overall. So we're in a discount. I'll add like 25 or something. And an overall discount. We also want to look at like our fair value gaps. Right here. We're on the 30-minute time frame. Let me know if there's a background noise for you guys. Okay, beast. First trade is looking pretty good. So overall right here, a lot of this is like time. A lot of your entries need to be kind of time based. So I know during this area right here, there's not going to be a lot of volatility. So obviously I marked out like the fair value gap. I kind of looked at the different confluences, but I also know Asia hasn't started yet. We want Asia to make its move to give us a signal. And so right here, we took out all this sell side. This New York AM is going to hold a lot of power right here. When we sweep that, there's likely to be a lot of sell stops. So as soon as I saw this reaction based off of this 4-hour fair value gap, we're in a deep premium. It's likely that we're just gonna start running to some of these highs. Let's see, kind of slowing down right here. Okay, at this point, we could definitely like continue running up, but I'd like to just like close it right there. It's a quick 1 to 2. Let's just see. Oh, we would have gotten our full TP. That's okay though. Let's just keep checking this out right here. Dang, Asia sessions are moving. Okay, so we have this hourly fair value gap. We're in an overall discount based off this fib right here. And honestly, like once you've read enough of discount and premium, you don't really have to draw it out. Like you already kind of know. The issue I have right here is we are kind of delivering a little bearishly right here. So I'll have to see. Okay. Let's check the hourly. Okay, so we honestly, I should have entered right here. I'm gonna see if we retag it. No, I know you guys saw that. I was trying to buy right when we got into it. All right, that's okay. It didn't work out anyways. Well, I guess it did. I don't know. We probably have a bunch of news right here. Okay, let's just keep going. We'll call that a scratch. Okay, so this is the following day. Have some more buy side up here. Let's see if we get a retracement. We in fact do. Asia session is just about to start though, so I want to see not the 4-hour. I want to see the 1 hour. See if we get a retracement. Oh, we're just pushing our targets right here. Okay, there we go. Okay, now we have this fair value gap. Let's see if we get a bullish reaction right here. That's rough, guys. I'm gonna take this inversion. But you guys see exactly what I'm doing. So whenever we're kind of pushing up like this, we're just pushing and pushing and pushing. You're gonna want to wait for a retracement because you're gonna get overall better entries. Because you could be right in the direction right here, but you're gonna have a lot more choppiness, and so price is not going to respect that. So this is a Thursday. Let's go back. Going. See if we get a retracement within this range. Okay. 4 hour. I think this would be a good trade right here. Let's wait for that 4 hour and then see. Okay. Just add extra size just cause. Obviously you have to get at least a 1 to 2 or else this trade doesn't make sense, right? Okay, there we go. We're pushing. At this point, there should be a 4 hour fair value gap created. Yeah, perfect. Just what I wanted to see. See if it works out. It's a little rough right there. Then you go back. I would probably just close out the trade right there. We should have seen a lot more. You should have seen a stronger close right here. So because we had that retracement, we're kind of in New York AM session. What's the indicator called? It's called PO3, power of 3. So because we didn't see that strong closure up here, we're not going to see as much continuation. There you go. Okay. We look pretty bearish right here. Have a bunch of lows. Let's wait. See if we got a nice little retracement right there. I really want to short A here. Four hours should become inverted. I'm gonna go on the lower time frames now. See if let me throw this on 100. See if we get some kind of market structure shift right here. Ooh. Okay. Trying to decide what should we do right here. It's the setup's still quite bearish, but see if we could catch some sells right here. Okay, looks pretty good. Getting a little closer. We just ended London. So what I might do here, I did want to see more, but yeah, we got break even, fortunately. And then you probably don't want to play New York session right here. We'll wait till the following day, and then see if we get our setup. Moving very bullishly now. Let's see. Let's look at the higher time frame real quick. See what we're dealing with. Yeah, so prices now respecting this. Okay. Let's see what session are we in. About to start London. Have lots of buy side. So I'm framing this off of that we're going into a discount. we have lots of buy side, and then our overall closure above some of these candles is pretty bullish. I think my stop's a little too long. Something like this. See if that works. Let's get a re-entry right here. Try one more time. Yeah, see, I had a feeling that we were on the right side. This choppiness, guys. Okay, let's see if we could get another push higher right here. Inversion. Okay, let's try this out. I have tons of buy side. We've held it into the next day. What do you guys think? Should I just cut it? No way anybody is holding that trade that long. All right, we're just melting at this point. Let's start looking at some of this sell side. On the 4-hour, we also took out quite a bit. Made some inversions in here. Let's see. I think we'll continue. Okay. Let's just see right here. For some of these lows. It's a nice 1 to 3. All right, let's try a re-entry. Wait a moment. Wait a little bit later into the session. See if we get a shift right here. Okay. I'm going to see the 5-minute. Yeah, we look pretty good for a short right here. Have a wider stop loss and then just aim a bit lower. We're not really inverting any of these fair value gaps right here. I'm gonna cut that for now. Yeah, I had a feeling that wasn't gonna work. Okay, we're going into the next session right here. Have this 30-minute sell. See if we could push to some of these lows. Finally get our banger. There we go. Okay. That was pretty clean. All of this was freaking I was trading in chop right there. That's crazy. I'm overall bearish right here. Okay. Let's see, we just closed below this inversion. See if we get a push lower. Clean. Still clean. Kind of just consolidating right here. But let's see if we could add extra size. Move our stop a little tighter. Awesome. Good push. Kind of moving back to our entry though. Yeah, not what we wanted to see. It's my fault for not closing right here. Let's add a little bit right here. Pretty much same setup. Inversion. I know we have some fair value gaps in here as well. We're off, guys. We're not hitting these. Here we go. Inversion right here. Okay. See some of the sell side. Same idea, we're framing off of these this 30-minute and hourly fair value gap right here. And then this is kind of the start of the day. Go slow. Okay. Still good. Okay, that's basically caught up. XAU. And then I'll do NASDAQ. Just a little bit of NASDAQ. We'll go back like over here, so I don't have a predetermined bias. So based off this range right here, we have this high, but we have a lot of Asia range right here. Let's see if we take out some buy side. Okay. So I'm overall bearish right here. let's just frame this off of a higher time frame perspective. So we've came down here. We have a shift, a market structure shift. This is just a general entry. This is not like a super crazy precise model entry. This is kind of just a bias entry. So aim for okay. Kind of getting deeper into the day. This is a Monday. Again, like people probably aren't like you're probably not holding this into nobody's entering right here and then like staying in a trade anyways. We're just trying to get the overall bias correct. Okay, I'm just gonna skip this day. AM session is definitely gonna be choppy. Yep. When you have these huge ranges overnight, you're not gonna have a lot of movement during the day. Okay, let's see if Asia session gets taken out. Yeah. Okay, took a lot of buy side right here. See if we get a setup to go short. Not really. We're just kind of grinding up. Okay, that's not too bad right there. Took this buy side. Have a lot of sell side right here. This is insane. We're getting like no follow through. We almost got stop break even right there. Okay, let's just keep going. This is kind of higher time frame focus, but 5 minutes probably. 5 minutes still like super influential on Nasdaq. We have a lot of sell side right here. Probably end the stream in a few minutes. Let's see if we could hit something in here. We have this inversion. We took out Asia. We still have a little bit more expansion left, in my opinion. So let's see if we could like hit this. Just like a 1 to 2. We're super consolidated. Yeah, we're not gonna move. Okay, I think we'll take some sell side and then yeah, invert to buy side. Target these highs right here. Let's see, we're not getting any follow through right there. And honestly, guys, like this is kind of the reality of trading right now. We're not getting a ton of nice ranges or ton of expansion. Like definitely looks it's very deceiving where price is going right now. Okay, so we took out buy side, lots of sell side. Still overall kind of bullish though right here. Yeah, I have a feeling. Let's see if we get some buy side right here. We have to end off with a win, guys. Come on. Okay. No freaking way. I didn't know. I didn't realize Nasdaq was so bad on the higher time frame right now. There's like no expansion. Like you get expansion overnight. All right, I'm gonna close off the stream because I have to go now, guys. But